Hiya people, I have listed so many things, faulty vices this week, some Bemis and Cool wrenches and a few other things. So that's about 300 items I've got listed, including this Parkinson ball base, which has a bid on it. So if you want it, get on eBay quick. Links to both my eBay sites down in the description. Alright, have a good weekend, and if anything on here you fancy, the prices are not dear. UK only, because I can't be bothered to deal with the customs. Thanks for looking. On with the music. So, links down below. Have a good weekend. All these auctions finish in the next few days.